Hello everyone and you are welcome to my new video, and today in this video you will learn to create navigation bar using HTML and CSS. You can see on my computer screen I have added one navigation bar on the center of this web page. When I take cursor on these links, its background color is moving from the left and right side. So in this video we will learn to create this navigation bar using HTML and CSS. So before starting this video, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel Inspec Institute to watch more videos like this one. Now let's start this video. This is my project folder. This is my HTML file and this one is CSS file. Now let me open these two files with my text editor. This one is HTML file. I have added some basic structures, and this one is CSS file. I have added margin, padding, font family and box sizing. Now come to the HTML file. I have added one link tag to connect the HTML file with the CSS file. Now come to the body tag, and here let's create one nav tag. And in this nav tag, let's create one anchor tag. Add the hashtag and let's add one text home. Copy it and let's duplicate this line and change this text. So second one is about, and the third one is blog, fourth one is portfolio, contact. After adding this, let's come to your index.html file. Let me open this file in your web browser. So you can see these links. Now we need to design it. To do that, let's come back on your HTML file, and here I have added one nav tag. Just copy this nav tag and come to the CSS file, and here let's add body. For this body, let's set the one background. So background is this color code. After adding this, save the changes and let's refresh your web page. You can see one dark background layer in the background of this web page. Now let's design these links. To do that, just come to your HTML file. I have added nav tag. Just copy this tag nav and come to your CSS file, and here paste is the nav, and let's set the one position. It will be relative, and the margin top and bottom it will be 350 pixel, and auto, and left and right it will be 0. And after adding, let's set the width and height. Width is 600 pixel and the height is 50 pixel. Now we will set one background color. Background color is white color, and border radius 8 pixel. Font size it will be 0. Box shadow. So let's set the one box shadow. Box shadow it will be 0 pixel. It will be X offset, and the Y offset it will be 2 pixel and 3 pixel. And blur is 0, and let's set one RGBA. Change the value 0, 0, 0, and the alpha is 0.1. After adding this, let's refresh your web page, and you can see this box in the center of this web page. Now let's come back. Here let's type nav, and for this anchor tag, let's set the font size. It will be 15 pixel, and text transform it will be uppercase. So all the text are coming in the capital, and let's set the color. Color it will be this color code. Text decoration it will be none, and let's set one line height. Line height it will be 50 pixel. Position relative, Z index 1, and let's set one display. Display it will be inline block, and after that let's set the text alignment. So text align, it will be a center. That's it. After adding this, let's refresh your web page. You can see this text is center of this web page. Now we need to add font weight. To do that, let's come back on the CSS file. Font weight, it will be 500. After adding this, you can see the text is. Now come to your code, and here type nav and a. For this anchor tag, let's set the nth child 1, because we need to design this home tag only. So come here, type 1. For this 1, let's set the width, it will be 100 pixel. Just copy it and duplicate it. Change the value 2, and this one is 3, and the last one is 4. Again duplicate it, and here change the value 5. After adding this, let's set the width. The first one is 100 pixel, and the second one is 110 pixel, and the third one is 110 pixel, and the fourth value is 160 pixel, and the last value is 120 pixel. After adding this, let's come back on your web browser and refresh your web page. You can see some padding between these links. Now let's come back. Now we need to add hover effect for this child. To do that, here let's create one class name animation. To do that, come to the HTML file, and here after this contact, let's add one class name animation. So let's create one div with the class name animation. Now we need to add CSS for this class name animation. To do that, just copy this class name, come to your HTML file, and here let's type nav dot animation. So let's set one position, it will be absolute. Height it will be 100%, and top 0, z index also 0, background, this color code, border radius, it will be 8 pixel, so the corner is round. After adding this, now we will set the hover. So I have added with this 100 pixel for this first child. Now we will set the hover effect for this child number 1. So, and here type a. So copy this nth child number 1, remove it and paste it here. For this one, let's add one hover, type hover, hyphens, and after that let's add the class name animation. So copy this class name animation and come the bottom, paste it here, and after that let's set the width. So width is same, it will be 100 pixel, and left is 0. Save the changes and just come to your web browsers, refresh your web page, and you can see this hover effect is working fine. Now we will apply the same thing for all the text. To do that, let's come back. After adding this, find the animation, here it is. Let's set the transition all 0.5 second is 0 second. That's it. After adding this, let's refresh your web page. This hover effect is working fine. So this is the how we can easily create the navigation bar using HTML and CSS. I hope in this video will be helpful for you. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section, and please like and subscribe and share this video. Thank you so much for watching this video.